In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Microsoft Clarity. We're going to stop Clarity from collecting data for your site by deleting the project inside Clarity. This is the most direct way to halt session recordings and heat maps for a specific website from within your Clarity account. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Clarity. You're looking for the official Microsoft Clarity site, so make sure the link you choose is from the legitimate Microsoft domain. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're in the right place to manage your analytics. Click the correct link to go to the Clarity homepage. From here, sign in with the same account you used when the project was set up. If you manage multiple sites or work across teams, using the original account ensures you see the exact project you want to stop tracking. You may be prompted for multi-factor authentication. Just complete the prompts as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Clarity dashboard. Locate and select the project associated with the website you want to block. Projects are usually labeled by site name or domain, so take a moment to confirm you've picked the right one. This matters, because the next action affects only the project you select. With the project open, look for the Settings area. You'll typically find it via a gear icon or in the sidebar. Open Settings to access the project's administrative controls. This is where Clarity lets you manage configuration, permissions, and high-level actions. Within Settings, under the Overview section, choose Delete Project. Clarity will ask you to confirm because this action halts data collection for that project and removes its analytics from your account. Read the confirmation message carefully, then proceed through the prompts to finalize deletion. After the project is deleted, Clarity will no longer record sessions or generate heat maps for that site under this project. If the tracking script is still present on your site, it won't collect new data for the deleted project. If you ever decide to use Clarity again, you can create a fresh project later and reconnect the site at that time. Before you wrap up, consider informing your team or stakeholders that Clarity tracking for this site has been disabled, so they won't expect new recordings or reports. And that's it. You opened Clarity, signed in, selected the correct project, went into Settings, and deleted the project to effectively block Microsoft Clarity from tracking your site.